3 fastest 600cc bikes. You know, 4-cylinder are the best. Then 2 cylinders. First of all, Yamaha R6. The average of the top speed is around 290 km per hour on board. Second of all, Suzuki GSX-R 600 might be top speed around 280 km per hour. And the third is the Honda CBR 600RR, around 270 or 280 maybe km per hour. I'm not sure your 2-cylinder bike is more than 4-cylinder, such as Acura 660 and Yamaha R7 689cc or Ducati Monster can reach the top speed. So, if I will choose 4-cylinder bike.